Hey guys, you have asked me just the coolest question. You've asked me about the different parts of your blood that move good and bad things around your body. Oh, you're awesome. And the reason that you're awesome is because I can see that you guys are thinking about other things that you're learning and you're bringing those new ideas together and you're coming up with new questions. So, what are the different parts in our blood that carry good stuff and bad stuff around? Your blood is kind of like a soup. It's a liquid with lots and lots and lots of little tiny cells inside it. And each of those cells has a special purpose. Now, the liquidy part of your blood is what's called plasma. And it's the part that makes your blood runny. You've also got red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is your red blood cells. Your red blood cells are super important because it's their job to move oxygen around your body and deliver it to your organs. They're kind of like the delivery trucks in your system. And what they do is they travel in your blood to your lungs when you breathe in. They pick up lots of oxygen, they attach oxygen molecules to themselves, and then they get pushed around by your heart, around through your blood vessels to the different organs where the oxygen needs to be delivered. Your white blood cells, they're the blood cells that fight diseases. They're kind of like the guards inside your body. And they do a really cool thing. When they find a bug, when they find a disease or a virus inside your blood, what they do is they travel to that site and they eat bad bugs. They eat bugs and germs and they break down the cells of the bugs and germs so the bugs and germs can't make you sick. And then there's platelets. Now, platelets help your body stop bleeding when it cuts itself. So when blood is inside your blood vessels, it has to flow really freely, it has to move around easily. But if a blood vessel breaks, if you cut yourself or if blood leaks out of you anywhere, then we have to stop that blood from getting outside. Because if it's outside your blood vessels, it can't do you any good, and we know that blood is really important. Platelets are kind of like Lego. What they do is when a blood vessel gets broken or damaged, they go straight to that site of the broken blood vessel and they build up together to make a shield, make a scab or a clot over that blood vessel to hold the blood in until the tissue underneath can get fixed and healed up. And we also mentioned that blood is made of plasma, that's the liquidy bit. And there's a lot of other things that get dissolved into plasma. Now, there's lots of other things that travel around inside your blood, not just oxygen. And your plasma, the runny bit of your blood, is how those move around. So different things, different good and bad things like food or waste products get dissolved into the plasma. And then as the plasma moves around your body, in with your blood, then it hands off those good and bad things to the right places as it travels around. Guys, there's a lot more about blood that we could talk about, but if you've got more questions, please put them into the Padlet and I'll see if I can answer them for you.